Hi, welcome back to the Restored Dogwood channel. I'm Molly, and today I'm going to be finishing up our free to farmhouse dresser turned cabinet, so stick around. If you're new here, welcome to our channel where we blend sustainability and furniture refinishing. We are really passionate about using eco-friendly products in our everyday lives, and we do the same when we're refinishing furniture. And we want to show you guys how to do the same thing. So be sure to subscribe to follow along, and find us on Instagram where I post lots of behind the scenes and stories, and so you can know what's going on in the workshop. This video is the third in our free to farmhouse dresser series. I've shown you all the products needed for this project and also the important priming step for this laminate piece. I know what you're thinking, laminate? Well, trust me. Watch the whole video, you'll be amazed how it turns out. And be sure to like and share this video with your friends. I'll be sure to link the other videos in the description below so you can watch the whole process. So I have both a 1.5 and a 2.5 inch brush for detailed areas, and I'm going to be painting with Country Chic Sage Advice, which is a beautiful green color. And I also have a spray bottle of water to thin out the paint just a little bit. I also have a little brush, I don't know what size this is, a little roller, I think it's maybe 4 inch. I just got it at Home Depot. So you can see how creamy the green is, and it's pretty thick paint, so that's why I add a little bit of water onto my paper plate. For this part of the paint project, I'm going to use Soiree from Country Chic. It's a really pretty, creamy beige color. I'm going to be applying it with my 1.5 inch brush. I have my water in a spray container and a little plastic container that I'm reusing. So I just added some Soiree into my little container, and then I added water. Mixed it up, and then I added a little bit more water until it was a really thin, runny consistency. Then it was time to start applying my wash to my boards. This wasn't really all that scientific. I just kept going over it until I liked the result. After I finished the boards, it was time for my drawers, which I had already sanded. Make sure that you're following us on Instagram because that's where I post a lot of progress on things like this. I don't have a video for my sanding, but I use the Surf Prep, and I have all that in my stories on my Instagram. So for the drawers, I decided to wipe off some of the excess. So I did this a little bit differently than I did the boards. Just seemed like I was getting a little bit too much paint on the drawers, so I put a little bit on, and then I wipe off a little bit until I like the result. Now it's time to seal everything with Country Chic Tough Coat. I used a sponge and a little paper plate. And it's important just to do long strokes all around, all on top of what you're sealing. Now the finishing touch is gluing on my boards. I'm using Gorilla Wood Glue, just dabbing it on both of the ends of the boards and pressing them in. They're not a perfect fit, but they're not going anywhere. Here's a reminder of what our dresser used to look like. So here's our final piece. What do you think? I'd love to hear, so leave me a comment below. I'm super proud that we took a piece that was headed for the trash and made it look completely different, like a beautiful piece of furniture. If you like what we did, make sure to subscribe and follow along as we find more pieces to flip in an eco-friendly manner. Thanks for watching. See you next time.